Many people do not know how to upload videos on YouTube. What they did is that they just go directly into the YouTube Red app, click on the plus button, and start uploading videos. Whereas there are some kind of optimization we need to do, some kind of settings we need to do in this YouTube studio, which people are not known or they are not aware of. So now the first thing you need to do is create your videos, take it to CapCut or take it to any editing app, export the video, and the first thing you need to do after creating the video is look for the title you are going to put into the video. Ensure the title contains keywords. Keywords is what you use to optimize your YouTube title keywords. Let it to be curiosity. Curiosity is when you create a title that will spark curiosity, that will make people to click on your video. Like, let's say, how to get views on YouTube. You know, many people would like to know how to get views on their videos on this YouTube. These are some certain kind of things you need to do to optimize your title. And also let it be emotional. Let it be emotional and let it be very, very short. So after knowing your title, then the next thing is create your thumbnail. Your thumbnail is very, very important. Let your thumbnail the contrast should be light, and also the word on the thumbnail should not be more than 2 to 5. Yes. Don't just occupy your thumbnail with words. Let it to be easy, be clear, and be easy for people to read. And also your thumbnail, let it to be ready after creating it. Ensure it is ready before you upload your videos. Now, after having all these things on the ground, I think the next thing you need to do is go directly to your Chrome and search YouTube Studio. YouTube Studio Desktop Login. Sometimes I usually have issue uploading through Chrome because some of the the links that the Chrome will bring for this YouTube Studio, if I click it, sometimes it will just take me directly to the app. I don't want to go to YouTube Studio app. I want to go to the desktop app on the Chrome. So sometimes I don't use Chrome. I just go directly to Opera Mini, because Opera Mini will surely direct me straight to the YouTube Studio. This is how I solve this issue, because it is something that I know it is not only me that is going to be expressing this. Many people will have this kind of issue. Now, after you have reached the YouTube Studio, the next thing you need to do is click on Create at the top right side. You see Create Plus. Click on it, click on Upload Videos, then it will now take you directly to your gallery where you see the exported video. Then click on the exported video. Now, while the video is being uploaded, if you want to see how the video is uploading, just check the downward at the left hand side. You will see it will be reading. It will read until it reach 100. So once it is reading like that, what thing you need to be doing is just input the title you have already crafted. That's why I say it is very, very important for you to have your titles before you even upload your videos. Input the titles. Now the next thing is you will see the descriptions. The description is very, very important, because these descriptions is something that will make you get more views, more visible, most especially on Google. Yes, because Google people will go to Google and type in words, and they are expected to read the solution to their problem. So if this thing is contained inside your description, it will surely trigger YouTube search engine to make your video to be discovered to them, because this is how video is being suggested. So one thing you need to do in your description is, after writing your descriptions, at the top side, put in 3 keywords, and these 3 keywords will contain hash. Let's say hashtag YouTube tips, hashtag YouTube growth tips. You understand? Or you say hashtag YouTube views. So let it be 3 and be very, very short. You even see, after you put hash, you see that it will suggest some kind of hashtag that people have already been used on this YouTube platform. This is how you write your description. And also your description should contain the related keywords meant for your video. Yes, but all this one will not contain hashtag anymore. It will not contain hashtag anymore. Then under it, you can put in subscribe or follow more for YouTube tips, for more tips on, it depends on the niche you are. So just make sure you input description. It is very, very important. This description is something that actually, I told you, get you more visible in other platforms. And also, if you have any link that is related to your another social media like Facebook, Instagram, you can put in the link. It is even very, very advisable. If you have any link of this kind, just put it. So this is how you fill in the description. Now, the next thing is for you to upload your thumbnail. The thumbnail is very, very important. It will take you directly to your gallery where you select the thumbnail you have already created and you just upload it directly. I think that I told you you need to have this before you upload your videos, because you can't be uploading your videos and also at the same time be creating your thumbnail. It is very, very wrong. So upload the thumbnail. Now, the next thing is for you to click on whether your video is made for kids or it is not made for kids. So what we do is, this video is always not made for kids. So you click on no, it is not made for kids. That is after you click on show more. So the video is not meant for kids. It is very, very important, because if you don't click on no, it is not meant for kids, the YouTube, we don't know where to put your videos. And this thing is very, very important. Even though YouTube will actually put in copyright on this kind of videos, so it is better for you to just click on no, not made for kids. Now, after that, it is now left for you to put in the keywords into the upload default. This is where you put in some kind of related keywords. Yes, and this keyword should be something that people are currently searching. How do you get this? I've already explained it in my previous video, where you can get all these kind of keywords, how people is going to search your video. So I think the reason why this is important is for YouTube to be able to categorize your video to a specific niche. That's why it is very, very important for you to put all this hashtag. Yes, put this hashtag into this upload default, right, as much as possible. The way people are searching videos is of different kind. Yes, the way people are typing their keywords is of different kind. So just imagine, type in all these keywords. The moment they type in this keyword into the YouTube search or into the Google, your video might likely pop up for them to watch. So that's why it's very, very important for you not to ignore this part. Although people consider it something that is not necessary, but I see it as very, very necessary. Just make sure you put in all this hashtag. Now, don't forget, below it you will see a category. Your category is very important. Ensure you know your niche. My own niche is how to style. So if your niche is another one, other sport or other politics, just click on your niche. This is how you categorize your video. Now, at the end of all these things, put in the future tag. Yes, the future cards. This future cards actually features your next video, the video you want the audience to watch after watching this current video. This is how you upload your videos directly. After the video has uploaded and the copyright check has been completed, one thing you need to do is click on the publishing area, whether you want to publish it or you actually want to add it to private or you want to unlist it. Unlist it actually means that you want to keep this video in to your channel, but not meant for all the people. Yes, you just only select the kind of people that will watch it. While the private means nobody is even going to watch this video when you put it on private. Why the publish is you want the video to be visible, to be live for people to watch. What you do is, before you click on the publish button, ensure you check the title, whether it is written correctly. Ensure you check the thumbnail, whether it is okay, and description, all these kind of things. Ensure you check them well before you even click on publish. So after all this thing, the next thing is for you to publish and wait for the YouTube algorithm to take your videos around the world. After 1 hour, this tip is very, very important. Just go directly to your video and watch it. Ensure you watch it very long. It is advisable for you to even watch it finish, because this will create retention, whereby after you watch it finish, what that YouTube will do is that it will now continue to show it to the kind of people in that same geographical area before it go to another country. This is how it does. So it is very, very important for you to watch your video. Watch your videos before after you upload it. It is very, very important. Make sure you watch it to notify YouTube algorithm that yes, you like the video. Let me show it to another person. This is how the YouTube algorithm works. So these are the ways of uploading videos on YouTube. If you don't know, extra tips on how to get more views after you upload your videos, something I'm going to do after this video. So make sure you stay tuned, subscribe to the channel, guys. There are a lot of things we need to learn in this channel. Thank you, guys. Yeah.